Guys, today is 21st and December 21st, and I wake up of not being happy with myself. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me loud. Like yesterday 20th, when my hubby came back, he gave me some money. He said I should go and do some Christmas shopping for myself. I was so happy yesterday when I went to bed, because I was like, oh, today I'm going to get some of these things that I need for myself, because I'll make my hair, then I'll get a dress for myself. But today being 21st of December, I wake up and I'm not happy. I don't know. I'm just down. Like, when I mean down, I just keep having bad memories, like bad thoughts, friends betrayers, and every other stuff. I don't know. Today I stumble across different comments that on my channel that is also getting me pissed off. Usually me, I don't care about any comments you drop. I've been dressed. This is 2 p.m. See, I don't know if you guys can see. 2:15 p.m. I've been dressed, but I've just been sitting, just been angry with myself. Holy Spirit, take control and take charge. And then again, I realized that today is the day that is supposed to be one of my most happiest day. When I mean one of my most happiest day, I remember 2011, 2012, and 2013. I was just sitting one place. With thinking, can I ever walk again? Will I ever get up on my feet again? It was exactly this date, 21st of December 2011, that I was involved in a fatal accident. The accident that took the life of 2 persons, and I was the only survivor. So usually, right from my accident experience, every 21st of December, I'm usually happy, thankful to God, happy doing whatsoever I'm doing. And look at me today. I'm not happy. I am not happy. I don't know why. I don't know the feelings I'm having, but I just pray for God to take charge. Today again, I keep remembering so many memories. Anyways, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I'm back again with another Vibes on Your Table. If you're just watching this video, or if you're seeing this video, pray for me. Just pray for me. And oh God, help me. And I'm also going to say a word of prayers before I leave. Even when my husband called me, the way I spoke to him, like, I just told him that I'm not in the mood to talk now. Like, he was like, what's happening? What's happening? I told him nothing, and I'm just not happy. But I just want to bless God for everything. I want to bless God because 2011, 2012, 2013, I was sitting in one place. I lost my new cab due to this accident. And today, here am I. I'm alive, beautiful, married to the most sweetest guy ever in the whole wide world. A dollar woman. So I just want to thank God for everything, and I ask the Holy Spirit to take charge. Tomorrow is my girlfriend's birthday, my bestie, the only bestie that cares about me, the only friend that cares about me. Trust me, all the friends I've been keeping literally in my life, I'm not saying it here because I just want to brag about it. I'm not bragging, but all the friends I've had in my life, and that's why I decided to cut off with some, are friends that benefit more from me. They like to benefit from me. And when it comes to, like, when I have my personal issues or any other stuff, they don't like contributing. Like, I don't know if you guys understand. They're not friends that we even, in fact, those friends I've cut off with all of, in fact, some of my friends, you guys are not going to be seeing me talking about them on this channel again, because it was also among my mood swing. I was just thinking since morning, I've not done anything in this house. I've not swept, I've not done anything. See, there's a plate here as well. Because I was just thinking, I was like, what have I achieved for the whole of this year? Sometimes even the money I was supposed to spend for myself, I'm supposed to use for myself, I consider them as friends, and I then let's just forget about that part. Let's forget about that part. The most important thing is that tomorrow is my girlfriend's birthday, which is 22nd of December, because today is 21st, and I'll try my possible best for this video to go up today. Tomorrow is her birthday, and I'm trying my possible best to be happy for her. She's in Abuja, my best friend. That's the only friend that literally cares about me. That's the only friend that she can just stay and just like be like, oh, send me your account, 50k, 20k. In fact, I don't just want to, it's like she's my best friend from school days. We met in school and the rest of that. So tomorrow is her birthday. I was supposed to go to Abuja to go and surprise her, but plan failed due to my father-in-law's burial and every other stuff. Although I'm going to be uploading those videos, I did a vlog about them and every other stuff. So what I just did was I have to call my sister, and I gave her money so they will make cake. They will do a very nice frame for her, like a remembrance frame. So I used her NYSC picture because I know she don't have any of those enlargements. So I just give her so they can just do like a little surprise for her. And I also told them to film a video, like just film short clips and send to me. So if it's successful, I'll definitely let you guys know. All through my life, this is like the first surprise package I'm doing for her. There is nobody I celebrate that she is not always there. She will, if she's not there physically, her money will be there. Like, this is, I don't know how to explain about her, but Chirendu is just one of the sweetest friends and the best friend I've ever had the opportunity to have. Why am I still crying? God help me. To have. And I just, let me use the opportunity and wish her happy birthday, baby. You know I love you. Long life, prosperity, good health. I hope my surprise meets you well. She always do engage in my videos, like both YouTube, Facebook, and every other place I post my videos. Just that these days she don't she's not much that engaged in my videos because of the nature of her job. The nature of her job just changed to another thing. In fact, if you don't know, she's my best. She was my chief bridesmaid on my wedding day. She was my chief bridesmaid, and I can't even explain all the things that she did for me on or before, like everything. See, guys, just pray for me. And yeah, I saw some stupid comment that some persons would be like, why do you always use Igbo husband, Igbo people, Igbo this, Igbo that? And I was like, are these people crazy? If you don't know any shit about YouTube, just keep quiet. If the video is not okay with you, just click out. It's not by force, okay? This is my channel, and I will use anything I want to use. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. So you don't come here and advise me or tell me what to use as my subtitle, because you don't even know why I'm using those things as my subtitle. I'm sorry if I offend you. But anyways, let me just start going. Just pray for me, guys, and Holy Spirit, take control. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.